In this video, you'll learn how to address the issue of eBay not allowing you to list your items. By following these steps, you will identify and resolve the underlying problems that may be preventing your listings from going live. Start by checking if your eBay account has any restrictions or policy violations. To do this, navigate to the Seller Hub from your eBay homepage. Once there, look for the account status section, which will provide an overview of your account's health. It is important to confirm that your identity verification is complete. Additionally, ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date, as these factors are essential for maintaining compliance with eBay's policies. Next, review the listing limits associated with your account. Keep in mind that new sellers often have monthly limits on the number of items they can list. Check to see if you have exceeded either the quantity or value limits imposed by eBay. If you find that you are eligible, you can request a limit increase directly from the same section. Additionally, verify that the product category you wish to list in is permitted under your account's restrictions. If you encounter technical errors while trying to list your items, consider clearing your browser's cache or using a different device. Sometimes browser issues can interfere with the listing process. After clearing the cache or switching devices, attempt to create your listing again. It is crucial to ensure your listing adheres to eBay's guidelines, as non-compliance can also prevent successful listings. In the event that the issue persists, even after trying the previous steps, it may be beneficial to contact eBay support for further assistance. When reaching out to them, provide screenshots of any error messages or problems you are experiencing, as this can expedite the support process. Fixing these errors is vital for improving your chances of getting your listings approved and visible to potential buyers. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and